Unlocking the magic of ChatGPT, 10 ingenious ways to transform interactions into income streams. In the swiftly evolving landscape of the digital realm, where change is the only constant and innovation is the key to not only saving time, but also unlocking new avenues of income, a remarkable tool emerges, ChatGPT. It is a potent force driven by advanced artificial intelligence that has fundamentally transformed the way people interact with AI technology. ChatGPT isn't merely a run-of-the-mill chatbot. It's a gateway to the boundless universe of information, bridging the gap between human curiosity and the ever-expanding realm of AI. In the dynamic world of AI, ChatGPT is more than just a tool. It's a creative catalyst infused with a touch of magic. It holds the promise of being your ticket to a continuous stream of passive income, an instrument of boundless potential. It's time to unlock the creative power of ChatGPT and transform your interactions into a masterpiece of financial success. Today, we embark on a journey through 10 captivating and ingenious ways to harness the magic of ChatGPT, steadily increasing your daily earnings. Let's dive into a world of possibilities. 1. Creating AI art. Picture a world where art transcends the boundaries of the human imagination, where every strokey and color blend is guided by the insights of an AI muse. You, as a digital artist with ChatGPT, can bring your artistry to life in an entirely new way. Combine the power of ChatGPT with Bing to craft unique AI art pieces that cater to diverse tastes and preferences. With them, your possibilities are boundless. Search, craft content, summon images, all effortlessly accomplished within a single interface. As the digital art realm flourishes, the market craves uniqueness and creativity. The domination of digital canvas and the emergence of platforms like Etsy have opened up a thriving market for creative and unique pieces. By harnessing AI, you can generate a wide array of designs rapidly and efficiently, giving potential customers a diverse selection to choose from and increasing your chances of making sales. What's more, AI art isn't limited to static images. You can create dynamic, interactive pieces that captivate viewers in ways traditional art cannot. This opens a whole new realm of possibilities for your artwork and sets you apart from other digital artists. 2. Custom logo design. Every business, whether a budding startup or a corporate giant, seeks an emblem that resonates with its identity and values. Here, ChatGPT becomes your branding assistant. Provide it with a brief description of a brand's essence, its core values, and its aesthetic preferences, and watch as AI-generated logo concepts come to life. With your expert touch, you'll transform these concepts into unique, custom logos that elevate brand identities. What's more, this process not only saves precious time, but also allows you to reach a broader clientele. Small businesses, entrepreneurs, and visionaries in need of cost-effective branding solutions can all find their design dreams realized through your expertise. 3. Selling ebooks. In the realm of design, visual appeal is just one piece of the puzzle. Harness ChatGPT to author ebooks in your design domain. The fusion of knowledge and technology has the potential to reshape the design landscape. Your ebook should be an authentic reflection of your thought process, delivering genuine value to your readers. This authenticity can translate into higher sales and happier customers. 4. Start blogging. The realm of blogging has long been the beating heart of the digital landscape. It's a canvas where ideas, insights, and creativity flow like a river, connecting you with a global audience. ChatGPT can make this vision a reality by compelling content in less time. First, choose a domain that resonates with your soul. Once your topic is set, let ChatGPT craft the all-important introductory paragraph, finely tuned for maximum impact and relevance. With the content in hand, the stage is set to unleash your creativity. Whether you choose Medium or your personal blog as your platform, it's time to share your insights with the world. Your journey with ChatGPT is not just about exploration, it's about the artistic fusion of technology and human creativity. As you embrace this dynamic duo, you maximize your design earnings and deliver profound value in the ever-evolving world of design. So, take that first step and let your creativity flow on the digital canvas of blogging. 5. Language translation. Bridging global communication. In the rich tapestry of human languages, ChatGPT emerges as the multilingual maestro. It empowers you to offer the world a bridge between cultures, a thread connecting disparate tongues. Your task is clear. Charge a fee for each translation project and ensure that your translations go beyond mere accuracy. They must carry the essence of cultural sensitivity, resonating with the very soul of each language. With ChatGPT's language translation capabilities as your guide, you can offer the world a transformation. Documents, websites, conversations all become realms where language is no longer a barrier but a unifying force. With ChatGPT by your side, the world speaks in 1,000 voices, but you become the interpreter of unity and understanding. 6. Tutoring and education. ChatGPT's vast knowledge base to create and sell online courses or tutoring sessions in subjects you're knowledgeable about, whether it's mathematics, science, language learning, or any other topic. As you guide them through complex concepts, answer their burning questions, and ensure their success, you find yourself on an extraordinary journey, earning while educating. It's not just a financial pursuit, it's a legacy of wisdom that you leave behind. 7. Chatbots for websites. In the digital kingdom, where websites are the windows to a brand's soul, you emerge as the architect of a seamless experience. With ChatGPT as your design partner, you embark on a quest to offer clients the gift of an enhanced online journey. You wield the magic of custom chatbots, providing businesses with a newfound power, a power that revolves around user engagement. As the architect, you charge for the initial setup and the ongoing maintenance of these digital allies, ensuring they provide not just assistance, but value to visitors and potential customers. 8. Virtual assistants. The realm of busy professionals and entrepreneurs is a realm where time is the most desired treasure. In this world, you step in as the custodian of time, offering the gift of efficiency and organization. With ChatGPT as your virtual assistant, you handle the intricate tasks of scheduling appointments, sending timely reminders, and responding to frequently asked questions. You offer virtual assistant services, charging either on an hourly basis or for entire projects. You become the time saver, the stress reducer, and the guardian of serenity. 9. Content marketing. With ChatGPT as your quill, you can even sell prompt templates specific to use in different industries. Prompt templates are structured, predefined instructions that serve as a starting point for generating AI content. These prompts are there to help writers and content creators craft compelling and relevant material efficiently. They act as a creative guide, steering content in the right direction while leaving room for personalization and creativity. For instance, in the e-commerce industry, product descriptions, category pages, and marketing materials require well-crafted content. The content should persuade shoppers and rank well on Google and other search engines. That is where prompt templates come into play. Time is of the essence in e-commerce, and prompt templates help content creators work more efficiently. They eliminate the need to start from scratch, providing a structured outline that can be filled in with relevant information. And with the Magento 2 ChatGPT extension, the admin can give specific instructions for writing style, voice tone, etc. It's not just about words. It's about narratives that inspire, inform, and engage. You charge clients for your content marketing wizardry, helping them grow their online presence and connect with their audiences on a profound level. 10. Data interpretation and visualization. In the ever-shifting labyrinth of data and statistics, where numbers often appear as daunting enigmas, ChatGPT dons the mantle of the interpreter, revealing the hidden gems of insight within the numerical labyrinth. OpenAI's ChatGPT even has an extension, Code Interpreter, which emerges as a groundbreaking beacon of technological advancement. This feature extends the horizons of our trusty chatbot, empowering it with a dazzling array of talents. Picture this: data analytics, image transformations, code wizardry, and so much more, all at your virtual fingertips. But that's not all. The Code Interpreter plugin doesn't shy away from handling data in its diverse forms. It welcomes your uploads and gracefully orchestrates downloads. Whether you're in the pursuit of uncovering the secrets of images or decoding the depths of video, this tool is your steadfast companion, especially skillful to intricate the dance of computer vision. And the list doesn't end there. It's a multi-talented maestro, fluent in the tongues of various file formats, including the structured elegance of CSV and the versatile expressiveness of JSON, just to name a couple. For those lucky souls who wield the powers of ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Enterprise, the Code Interpreter awaits your command. Within your beta settings, nestled alongside the model names, it lies in anticipation. As the numbers whisper, you unlock the doors to data-driven decisions. In the intricate waltz of business, you become the choreographer, ensuring that every move is executed with precision and purpose. Unlock the potential of this groundbreaking feature and let your imagination soar as you collaborate with ChatGPT like never before. The future of creative innovation is at your fingertips. If you found this video enlightening and want to stay updated on the magic of ChatGPT in shaping the future, we encourage you to like and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates.